Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video brought to you by Freelancer School. My name's Taylor Keene, and today we're gonna just look at how a client's portfolio is structured within Asana and their projects on a very brief level, because I'm gonna do individual videos for each of the hubs that I'm showing you here. And then specifically today, just how to then, why you break down the projects this, and then why you should make sure that all your tasks are built out basically from your marketing plan so that you can make your life a lot easier with project management, client deliverables, and specifically project updates, which can be made with Asana AI very well as long as your tasks are built out. So starting off right here on the left-hand side, if you go to portfolios, which only the advanced plans can do, so I apologize if you don't have an advanced plan, but I think it's worth it. So if you click on the portfolio, so if I was looking at all my clients for Social Boomin, which is the marketing company that we own, I would click on that. Then all my clients are individual portfolios within the Social Boomin clients portfolio. So I can click on Garage Wallaroo, who is letting us look at his portfolio today. Now, if I just want to click on it, you can see just from this view, I can see the project update, the latest status update. So I can easily just go here, and this is breaking down the 4 projects that we are mostly doing stuff in, along with upcoming milestones, which you can see they're all linked. So again, from this screen, if I wanted to go look at this, I can click on it, and it's going to bring it right up for me. So we'll go back, and I'll just keep showing you the end of this, but then we also have upcoming milestones, next steps, and action items. Now, I do this because we invite our clients to the project, so then we can tag them, and then the client communication is just so much smoother out of Asana once you get them in there. And little, I guess, tip of the day, force people into your systems. If you're a good enough marketer, these people don't know how to do marketing if they hired you, or freelance, whatever they hired you for freelancing. So just make sure if you are a professional that you stay, don't let them bully you into systems. Emailing will, like, half the people that say that don't even email back for a week, or just a whole bunch of different things. So if you click, you can either click on this, on the arrow, I think, no, sorry, the name right here. And this is going to bring up all the projects for Garage Wallaroo. Now, I used to do just one project. That's why this says deprecated and it's archived with everything within, which is easy at the beginning just because Asana is so much. But once you move on, I would start with generating a marketing plan. Paid Media Hub could be broken down into individual channels, Google and Facebook or Meta for Meta Advertising Hub, or Google Advertising Hub. SEO could be its own hub as well, but the more you break it down, the better your reports are going to be for your clients. So yeah, we have this portfolio. Again, if I click on the status update, I can bring up the latest status update for the entire portfolio. And again, now you're able to see how this is a project, GW website /SEO hub. That project is right there. So you can easily see the status updates, and they start stacking here on the left-hand side. This is a newer client we have, so that's why there's not more updates, basically. And then reference hub, which is going to be kind of meeting notes, so client questions, which is email questions that come in if he does email us, which he still randomly does. Meeting agenda topics. You could make your own meeting agenda, meetings project if you wanted to. External resources, competitor research, just different things, project management, stuff like that. And there's no point, I don't set updates on the reference hub project or the marketing plan project because they just are kind of irrelevant to the overall idea of what we're doing and the things that are getting done. So if I go back to Garage Wallaroo, when we have content and design, a social media hub project, an email marketing project, and then a website SEO project. Now, without me going into all of these, I can do the same thing. I can click on them, and they're going to come up, each one of them. So right here, I'm going to go down, and you're going to be able to see the status updates regarding just website SEO. So now you're kind of seeing why, and this is all AI generated, basically. So we have an exact idea of what is happening. Now, this is perfect. I have a business partner. We have employees. When they need to look at things, Less questions can be asked of me of where we're at. Well, it's all here for everyone, including the client. Now, same thing with email. Everything is broken down along, just perfect status updates for what is happening and perfect timelines, things like that. Social media hub, same thing. It has, milestones, and I have milestones and projects. So I will I will show you all these projects at another time as far as just what's truly within them and letting you really look at them. And then we have social media hub, email, I took you through content and design. So basically, the reason that these 4 projects have updates and these ones don't is because we haven't started running ads yet. So no updates are needed. A reference hub, same thing, very little going on in there. Marketing plan is the plan. It doesn't have, no one has the tasks assigned basically. So little thing. So if I was going to update the status of my website SEO hub, you basically could go through and then choose right here and choose if it's on track, at risk, off track, on hold, complete. So I'm going to go on track. And then it's going to bring up this screen and I'm going to click draft with AI. And you can do it since the last update. You could add guidance if you wanted to, and then click draft update, and it would just draft basically a perfect update of what's happening in this project right now. Now, if I exit out of this, because I'm not going to post this, that is this project right here. And there's a lot of stuff going on in here that's been done. So I would prefer to not have to report on all this stuff and let it make the update for me, which is so wonderful and very convenient. So basically I would make the status updates on all of your hubs. And then when you go back to your portfolio view of Garage Wallaroo, I can then create another update right here on the portfolio, and you can go draft there. And here is where you can exclude projects from the AI update. So like I said, the marketing plan doesn't need to be in there because the strategies are built out in the plan with milestones, but those milestones are in the individual projects for where they would have to go. So I could take out marketing plan, take out reference hub, take out paid media, because we're only working on these 4 basically, and then draft the update. And again, it's going to give you an update right here. It's going to give you a beautiful update, letting you know what's happening with each of the projects and kind of giving you a bird's eye view. So I really do think that making sure, all your stuff is lined out. But again, we have a monthly retainer to handle all things marketing for this company. So when you have something like that, really make sure you split it up properly. So if they wanted to know, a specific thing, that you can update them. Oh yeah, I could copy this link even and send them an email with the link if they, refuse to look at Asana. But overall, I think that is a good place to kind of start as far as just an organization and how you use AI to update the projects and then update the portfolios. But that's all based upon you having the tasks built out in Asana. So if you're overwhelmed by that, I would start with a marketing plan and then build out strategies for the platforms that you are working with, and then build out the projects for those, platforms basically, and think about what you need to do. It might suck, but really just think about it. Think about how far in advance you can think of tasks. And even if stuff changes, I know, especially in marketing and as you're learning things, it can get a little wonky out there, but doing it this has made my life amazing. And again, I will break down each of the projects. We do offer consulting services in all of the areas we make videos on, which I will put a link in the description below for my Calendly. But yeah, I just hope this helps. I think project management has ended up being the biggest constraint on our business at the beginning, and then the most important thing in our business as we began to really succeed and make money. So I hope that helps. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll catch you next time.